A Swiss lab injects carbon dioxide into rock deep underground to test whether CO2 can be locked away in rock or if it leaks out of small fault lines. If it works, it means scientists can store the main greenhouse gas causing global warming.
Here I want to see how the CO2 mixed with water moves into this fault. The faults are weak points into rocks that should be able to keep the CO2 underground. If this rock has a fault in it, is it possible that CO2 comes up through the fault? This is what we wanted to answer.
Geological storage of CO2 already exists, but usually in uninhabited places like the Algerian desert or North Sea.
What is new here is that if one day we want to stock CO2 in Switzerland, which is a densely populated region, we need to make sure that the CO2 won't migrate to the surface and contaminate, for instance, drinking water sources. This is really one of the major stakes here.
Environmental groups fear the technology could actually hurt efforts to fight climate change, as governments might believe CO2 storage gives them a right to pollute, while nothing is done to reduce greenhouse gas emissions.
What worries us is not only that these technologies are being developed, but to see that in the meantime the necessary efforts needed to limit greenhouse gas emissions are not being made. And that should be done in parallel. We should massively reduce these emissions.
The project at Monterrey in Switzerland's Jura Mountains has international support from countries ranging from Switzerland to France, Japan and the United States. Major energy firms like BP and Total also back the project.